If you're somebody who notices that you have a hearing loss, yes, absolutely go get a valid hearing test. If you notice a change in your hearing, if you notice that you're starting to get tinnitus, anything like that, sounds muffled, any change like that, absolutely go get a hearing test.
Okay.
But for the run-of-the-mill patient, no severe noise exposure, all of that's fine. You're under, say, 50 years old, then I would say do a hearing test like every 3 to 5 years.
Okay.
If you're over 50, I would start saying annually.